Good morning, love bugs. Katrina here, just waking up for the day, and something is laying on my heart. I feel like I should kind of express. Maybe somebody needs to hear it. Maybe somebody needs more clarification on it. I don't know, but it's on my heart. I'm going to express it. A lot of people know of the great conjunction of 2020 happening on December 21st, and that's where Saturn and Jupiter are going to get very, very close to each other. They'll still be millions of miles apart in space, but here on Earth, they'll look like they're very, very close to each other. So those two planets will be exchanging energies, and as you know, anything that happens above us comes down to us. That affects us here. And so this is the ending of the way that this year and previous years have gone. We've learned what we've needed to learn, and now it's time for us to move into what we have learned and how to progress and move forward from here. So that's what that great conjunction is about. But I'm coming to you to tell you about what I'm going to be doing. That energy shift is going to happen on December 21st. Today is December 20th. And in preparation for that, what I'm doing is I'm writing down a mantra. Anytime you say something or you speak something over and over again, you're creating that energy, and this is the perfect time to do that. So what I'm doing is I have written down a mantra stating, I am successful, I am a great mother, I am a blessing to others. You write down things not in a I'm not broke anymore manner, but in a I am wealthy manner. You want to stay positive, so you exude that positivity into the universe as the changes are happening, and it brings more positive changes to you. So I have written that mantra down. I want to encourage everyone to write their own mantra down. Again, staying completely positive, speak as if though you are already that person you want to be. And to say that at least every day for a month. I'm going to try my best to say it every day for the year. I want to say it 3 times during the course of the 21st, just to make sure that energy is hard planted and instilled. But I just want to encourage everybody to do that. I don't know if somebody needed to hear that. I don't know if somebody was wondering about that, but it was on my heart and I felt that I needed to say it. Maybe it'll encourage you to do the same and just bring that positive energy into you. So I am not going out of 2020 the way that I came in. I don't think anyone is. We've learned a lot of lessons. We're ready for change, and that change is coming. And so I want to solidify my change with my mantra, and I encourage you to do the same. So excuse my morning attire. I'm going to go ahead and get ready, get the day started, but I felt I needed to say that. So I love y'all. Y'all take care, and I will see you in 2021. Change that energy, y'all.